Modern Education Society's Naval Vadia Institute of Management Studies and Research, Pune is one of the oldest and leading management institutes offering various programs. Modern Education Society was established in 1932 and Naval Vadia was started by Modern Education Society in 1991. The institute offers BBA, MBA and PhD in management. The institution is located in a lush green campus right in the heart of the city within a campus area of 17 acres. There is excellent connectivity to all mediums of transport including metro rail and Pune railway station. There is barrier-free pedestrian-friendly motorized road in the campus and parking facility for staff and students. We are a perfect blend of classical and contemporary charm with modern amenities. The institute operates from 3 buildings. Main building mostly covers the instructional space and administrative area, and other covers amenities area for the students. All the buildings are under CCTV surveillance and are fire and safety compliant, solar panel installed, Wi-Fi enabled and with rainwater harvesting provisions. The institute has facilities that include spacious seminar hall with 450 seating capacity. 6 classrooms with smart boards and traditional chalk duster teaching material with good ventilation, CCTV camera facility and 2 tutorial rooms. There are 2 computer labs. Computer Lab 1 has 30 computers whereas Computer Lab 2 has 66 computers. A total of 96 computers are dedicated for student usage. Mrs. Shagufta Pathan is the IT in charge. The institute library is spread over 108 square meter area and an additional reading hall for the students and faculty. Library has 14,955 titles and 19,170 books. Mrs. Archana Mori is the librarian of the institute. Naval Vadia has a dedicated research center. Institute recognizes the importance of overall student development. To facilitate the same, its spacious playground spanning 4.5 acres where students can play cricket, football, volleyball, hockey and other games. The facility contains a cricket net for practice and a boxing ring. There are 2 basketball courts, a gymnasium with all necessary equipment and facilities. Overall, the institute provides a range of infrastructure and facilities to support the physical, mental, and intellectual growth of its students. The institute is headed by Dr. Anand Dadas. Our facilities include director room and top-of-the-line boardroom adjacent to it. IQAC cell with adequate capacity to maintain and preserve important records. Dr. Anuradha Dandnaik is the IQAC coordinator of the institute. Administrative Office for Admission and Student Facilitation, HOD Cabin. Dr. Vikas Dole is the head of MBA department. Exam Control Office with computer, internet facility and photocopying machines. Professor Jamshed Darhesha is the college examination officer. Spacious faculty rooms and cubicle, ICT-enabled facility. ED cell, TPO office with boardroom facility. Professor Vincent Kedari is the TPO of the institute. Central store, security room, maintenance room, housekeeping and stationery room. Other amenities include boys' common room, girls' common room, first aid and sick room. Girls and boys hostel in the campus premises with mess facility, cafeteria, CCTV surveillance 24/7, safety devices in the premises, waste management facility, clean drinking water, notice boards, power backup, bank and ATM facility, sanitary pad vending and disposal machines in all female washrooms. Naval Vadia has also made the required provisions like ramp facility, wheelchair, disabled-friendly washrooms for Divyanjan. The professor responsible and in charge of ensuring that the infrastructure and facilities are meeting and surpassing compliance standards and continuously upgraded is Dr. Radha Lewis. The above components collectively form an environment and an ecosystem that nurtures nourishes and enhances the potential of students.